Every control room has one. The alarm that has been flashing for 3 weeks, that everyone walks past, that nobody can silence. Alarm management is the discipline of making alarms mean something again. The science is sobering. In major industrial incidents, investigators almost always find the warning was there, buried in a flood of alarms the operators had learned to ignore. The benchmark comes from ISA 182. A manageable rate is roughly 1 alarm per operator per 10 minutes. Many unmanaged systems run 10 times that. Count yours, the number will hurt. Rule 1. Every alarm must have a defined operator action. If the response to it firing is nothing, it is not an alarm. It is a log entry wearing an alarm costume. Reclassify it. Rule 2. Deadbands and delays. A tank level oscillating at the limit fires dozens of times an hour without a deadband. A pressure blip pages someone at 2 a.m. without a delay filter. Both are configuration, not fate. Rule 3. Priority means probability. Times consequence, not how loud the engineer who configured it was feeling. 3 or 4 levels, ruthlessly assigned, most alarms in the lowest. Then run the boring, powerful loop. Every month, pull the top 10 most frequent alarms. Fix, retune, or reclassify each one. Repeat. 12 months of this transforms a control room. Measure floods too. An upset that generates 100 alarms in a minute has told the operator nothing. State-based suppression keeps the cascade quiet and surfaces the root cause. On delivery, the same rigor. Critical alarms by SMS and voice with escalation owe low priority to the morning report. The channel is part of the priority. Legacy systems make this rigor a consulting project. Modern platforms build the machinery in. Merobix ships deadbands, delays, priorities, escalation chains, and the frequency reports for the monthly review as standard. A quiet alarm system is not a safe one. A tuned one is. The goal is simple. When the panel lights up, it is telling the truth, and everyone believes it. If this saved you a Google search, subscribe. We publish practical SCADA and oil and gas automation explainers every week. No fluff.